This is Corden Vaughn. We're in the Control 4 booth at ISE 2020. And right here at this station, we're showing the new Signature by Episode line of speakers. Matt's going to show a quick install here. This is a great sounding speaker line that are just being made available to dealers around the world right now. This push button install is one of the really awesome features. All he's done is he's pushed those 4 buttons and now the speaker's installed in the wall here. He's going to quickly take the speaker out, so if you need to pull the speaker out, it's just that easy to install it. He can actually go now and put in a different quality. There's 3 different quality levels of the speakers, and just that easy. He now has a different version, a different series of the speaker if a customer wants to upgrade to a new product. So take a look at these. Award-winning line of product that's brand new, available to dealers, 32 different models with great sound and some great installation features. You can take a look at them at dealer.control4.com.